Hello, Alex. How's it going? This is Sisco or Francisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. I spoke with Maria earlier last week, and I just wanted to send out this free video, just giving you guys some free tips and tricks as far as what you guys can be doing to outbeat your competition online and just generate more clients, generate more growth for your company. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it. So some of the things that I'm looking for, Alex, is one, content. Do you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with keywords? And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Okay, so that's super important. Now, overall, your website's really good looking, by the way. I really like this section here, just giving our your clients an overview of how it all works. I do like the pictures and overall. Now, going back to your content. Okay, the reason why you want keywords within your website is because you want to tell Google exactly what keywords you want to be found for. Okay, so that's super important, and I'm going to elaborate a little bit more. So let's just go over here. This is a tool that I used. It's called Ahrefs. This helps me understand how well your website is performing. So let's jump over to this section here. So you typically get a score here, and this score is essentially your strength or your power or your authority score. This section here, or this number, is your trustworthy score, or how trustworthy your site is. Okay, and currently right now you're not being indexed. And some of the things that contribute to that is your backlinks. Okay, so currently you have 8 backlinks with only 7 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these links, they act like an endorsement for your website, and it builds trust with Google. However, not all of these backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks within your industry or even local websites. Those work best. Now, if you were to get a backlink, like let's say from your local pizzeria, it could actually hinder your overall scores. Why? Because you're not in the food industry. Those are just some of the things that you definitely want to take note of. The last thing that I want to go over is your organic keywords. Okay, what keywords you're currently being indexed for. And these are the only ones that you're being indexed for. Now, I'm just going to jump over here, and I'm going to show you what some of your competitors are doing. Okay, now let's just take Southwest Heating and Cooling. Now look, right away when I mentioned local keywords, Cape Coral, air conditioning, heating, installation. These are keywords. They're wanting to rank for that specific keyword. Now, those are buyer intent keywords, but I'm going to elaborate a little bit more. So let's just go here, Ahrefs, and see how well they're performing. Look at their scores. For their strength is 30. Their trust is really low at 3.6. Now, let's see, though, what keywords they're being indexed for. Now, air conditioning repair, Cape Coral. This is huge. Okay, the reason why, like I mentioned, buyer intent keywords. One, when people are searching for air conditioning repair, they know exactly what they're needing for. Buyer intent. And then Cape Coral, which is the city that you service. So right away when people are searching for this, one, they're looking for that particular service, air conditioning repair, and then two, they're in your area. So anytime you get a call from this specific keyword, guess what? It's a buyer intent. People are going to be wanting your service, especially if you're in the front pages of Google. Now, the second thing I want to go over here is your volume. So what this means is 450 people, an estimated amount, are searching for this every single month. So imagine if you were on top of Google pages for just this keyword. Imagine how much calls you would get coming in from your website. Now your website is generating you money. It's generating revenue. It's generating more clients. And look, this is another keyword, AC Repair Cape Coral at 400 and so forth. And these guys are ranking for different keywords, which is why they're most likely growing and they're getting more clients. Now, let's just take this keyword and type it into Google and let's see what pops up. Okay, air conditioning repair Cape Coral. We got this section here. This is the Google guarantee section. These are for fast results, right? So anytime anybody calls from this section, you're going to get charged what is called a cost per click, but nonetheless they're getting a call from a potential client that truly needs their service. Second thing, the second area, which is my favorite, this is the Google My Business page. Okay, so this is super important. Why? Because 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. And look, This is your competitor, Southwest. They got the number 2 spot. Now, some of the ways that's going to help increase your Google My Business page is the following. 1, get more reviews. Respond to those reviews. Second thing is optimize your content, okay, with keywords. Third thing is optimize your photos. And the last thing is update your clients with new information about your company, maybe some promotions you may have, but doing those updates on your Google My Business page is going to help rank you higher. The last thing is the organic listings. Okay, like I mentioned, remember how I mentioned that everyone gets a score? And look, they're supposedly there. This is an estimated, okay? They're ranked number 4, but let's see where they're truly being ranked at. You got Yelp, Angie's List, these are citation sites, but look, Southwest is actually number 3 now. They've increased, okay? And they don't need to pay for any ads. They're just organically ranking on the number 3 spot. And they got the number 2 spot on the Google My Business page, which is where you want to be, Alex, because then at that point, you're going to get more traffic into your website, which is a cool website, and then you're going to get more clients. So hopefully this information is helpful, Alex. I would love your feedback if that's possible. Just want to get your thoughts. Was this information helpful? And if it was, and you decide, you know what, I'm going to take this information and run with it, hey, no harm, no foul. But if you do need some help or some guidance on how to, 1, get more visibility on Google and get more digital real estate and just get more calls coming into your business, then go ahead and email me back. I would love to talk to you, Alex, and just dive in a little bit deeper on how we can help you. Anyhow, hopefully you had a great Memorial Day weekend. Looking forward to talking to you. Have a good one.